as you can see. Nice and pristine waters there. So we'll walk around a little bit. Yeah. And then we'll watch a nice sunset which is there in the background. Done shooting a lovely sunset, and we walked around the lake a little bit. As you can see, not much of a picnic spot because people bring their cattle around here for grazing and all, so would not suggest that you come here and have a nice picnic. But yes, of course, a lot of birds around, but you do need a big telephoto to capture them. I'll be back here again to do some bird photography later on, and probably I was suggested a couple of people to come here really early in the morning. So yeah, we'll be back here early in the morning and probably at that time do a sunrise, get some pretty pictures of some lovely birds around here. And now we'll go have our coffee and snacks, and there is a surprise snack apparently, my wifey tells me, and it's one of my favorites, she says. So let's see what she has in store. So now is the time for a snack break. So here, as you can see, Mrs. Anand's got her kitchen out. What are we making?
Coffee.
Oh, nice coffee. And the surprise is momos. The surprise.
Pandas.
Yeah, so yeah, that he's been using extensively. Okay, going. If you liked us coming to the short Indian Air Force, and please, okay, and thank you for watching. Bye.